Okay, I'm filming here in Singapore at Sui and Winston's place, but it's mainly for the sound effects. Huh? And lightning. This is the view from the front at the apartment. And it's not quite pounding down yet, but the thunder's rolling just like Garth Brooks sings. Scary. Oh, down here is their car. I'm proud to say it's Swedish. Yay! There. Flash. There's so many flashes there. It's a shame we can't really see them. There's another. Woo! It's not fake, it's for real, people. It's madness thunder here. Oh, and here comes the real rain. Oh god, and the lightning here. Can you see it? Jesus. And Winston was just out washing the car. He came in. Well, he's missing now, but... Alright, well, that's enough of fireworks from Singapore. Take care, I'm almost home, bye!